Spanning a surface area of almost 1 million hectares, the Ngoila Mintum forest block is a fairly intact forest in the southeast of Cameroon. It is rich in natural resources, biodiversity, and harbors valuable sites that are vital for the indigenous peoples and nature. The area makes up part of the tri-national Jah-Odzala-Minkebe Tridom transboundary landscape straddling Cameroon, the Republic of Congo, and Gabon. The interconnectedness of the zone and its migratory corridors ensures safe passage and security for mega wildlife species like the forest elephant, enabling them to commute freely across the protected areas